Okay, I got the package. Little bit small to be a Youtooz, but you never know. Oh my goodness, guys, it's the new WF5000 pins! We got the profile photo, we got the me as a plush, we got the me, we got this guy, and we got the words.
If you've been keeping up with the Chuck E. Cheese community recently, then you probably know about these high-quality plushies by Youtooz. If this is somehow the first time you're hearing about Youtooz, then Youtooz is a Canadian toy company that specializes in vinyl figures, plushies, and pins, and the occasional piece of clothing or dishware. And we need to talk about how Youtooz is targeting me specifically. Look at these. There's a Spider-Man figure, 2 sets of Tally Hall plushies and figures, and a plush of the lad himself, Chuck E. Cheese. Now, I probably will never get any of these, because for one, when they released, I wasn't quick enough and I didn't have the money, and for two, I'm not willing to spend that much on Andrew Horowitz doll. But around November last year, another Youtooz plush of the Chuckster was set for pre-order, and was shipped out a little before this video comes out, because mine just came in the mail, and it's been like 7 months. It's currently April 29th. And I bought this like sometime in November, I think. So yeah, pretty standard Youtooz packaging. Bunch of the eyes, and then like a place where you can open it. So without further ado, I guess I'll open it. The creature. Wait, is there... There's it's like a Ziploc bag! Oh, that's so cool. Wow. Wait, what's it smell like? Ooh, it smells like... What's it called? It's hard to describe how it smells. It smells like... tomatoes. Like tomatoes that were sitting in a car during like the summertime. Here he is. He's a little bit bigger than I thought he would be, and he keeps falling over. So I don't know how to stop him. It's pretty detailed. Like you can see. Like, let me just compare. Like, this is Vampire Chuck from 2024. So, like, you can see he's got the same shirt. So it's pretty detailed. His ears are a little floppy, but I think that's just from, like, the shipping. And, like, he was in a bag. So. Oh, he has a tail. I didn't see... I completely didn't see that. Well, he has a black tail. Huh. And on this guy, he has like a gray tail, but... Huh. And... he has a... Whoa, that's cool! It's like holographic. It says, thanks for collecting me, Modern Chuck E. Cheese, designed by Castro and Nora. I'm sorry if I got those names wrong, I'm bad with names. Oh, it says 2024 CEC Entertainment, Concepts, LP, all rights reserved, and it says, certified plush, designed in Canada, and then there's a barcode, so I'm guessing they're gonna try and sell it in stores? I don't know. There's this that's like, it's confusing. Whoa! It says, it's the, like, oh no, it's the 2.0 logo. I thought it was like the phase 5, whatever phase it is, like the Rockstar logo, but no. His head is like really wide, like wider than I thought it would be. So that's weird. I really like him. People are probably gonna like hate on this guy, but I don't know. I like him. So, yeah, that's basically it. He's kind of heavy, like heavier than a usual plushie. What can I show, like, that, like, will show how big he is? He's around the same height as the Pasquale gumball, and I'm pretty sure these are all the same big, so they should all, like, be the same. Here he is compared to, like, a mystery bean. So you can see, like, he's really big. Here's him compared to a Freddy Fazbear Youtooz. So, yeah. He's around, like, 9 inches tall. So, I think that's, like, a usual Youtooz plush. But if you just collect Chuck E. Cheese stuff, you wouldn't know. Like I didn't know. So yeah. That's about it. This guy is pretty cool. In conclusion, Chuck E. Cheese Youtooz are pretty cool. I would say that I hope they make more, but they recently made a Munch and Helen. But going by how long this video is taking to make, they probably won't be on pre-order anymore. So sorry if this is the first time you're hearing about them. If you somehow like this video, then please consider subscribing so you don't miss when I make new videos. Because it's summer coming up and I might be posting videos like at 3 AM, I don't know. As always, I don't know what time it is when you're watching this, so have a good evening, a good night, a good morning. Just have a good time.